let's say you want to change the inputs to move your character. You have your character body 2D, which has a texture rect so that we can see it inside the game, and a collision shape 2D. So we are going to create a basic movement script of your character body 2D inside this scene. So inside the template, you select character body 2D basic movement and you create it. Here, basically, it adds speed and jump velocity, but because we are inside our 2D game and we are top-down game, we don't want this jump or the gravity. So we're gonna erase this here. And we see that we have input that get axis, UI left, UI right. Those things are set inside the project settings, inside the input map. Here by default, it's the arrow key, left, right, up and down. So we're going to create a basic movement script. We're going to create a basic script to create our movement of player. So if you want, we're going to erase this for the moment so that we can write from base. We're going to create some variables is going right here, which is a bool input that is action pressed. And here you see that Godot gives you some basic movement here. We're going to give that empty string for the moment. Here we're going to change that. Going left is going up and is going down. If we want to go is going right or is going left or is going up or is going down here. If our player is going right, what we're going to do is change the direction of X to add 1. If is going left, we have to change the direction of X minus 1. Here we have if is going up, which is going to be here the direction of Y, which we add 1, not 21, is going down. Here we have for our direction of Y minus 1 here. So then, after we did all of this, we have what is going on. He's going, oh, my bad. He's going left. My bad. Here we have to change the velocity of our current player, which is there that normalized multiplied by speed, our constant that we have here. Oh, we can also erase this constant of the jump velocity for the moment. And then we move and slide. But currently we don't have the inputs that gives our player the movement. So what we're going to do is inside the project settings, we have to add the basic movement. For example, here we're going to create some movement like move left, we add it, move right, move up, and move down here. So we have our actions, but we don't have for the moment inputs that are related to those actions. You can see here inside the input, it's written listening for input. So when you're typing on your keyboard, like for example the Q for going on the left, and you type enter, here it adds it inside the move left action. So we're going to do the same for right, up, down, here. We can also add the arrow keys here, right, up, and down. We have our input. Here we just have to use, you do Control plus Enter, and we have our new actions like this. For going right, move right action, my bad, move left action, move up, and move down. Here, let's try our game. And here we can see, oh, I just switched the to here. Oh yeah, my bad. Or going up, it's up plus, and here we have our player that currently has movement. Great!